Kimlas and then Mayo no
answer masem kakra
there be me bomb abaso na
ma so ye masem kakra so come on asemana
I say o come asema obi a wetin be fa the different context it is a can reframe me ama me awadoroba
to asuma me yenko
Kimlas and then Mayo no omo atimi adi Ghana mama she Ghana ni munyam after 9 years na yentimi endru this stage ewo the WAFCON ekosunim bet Kimlas ene ne mrantie no ene ne Mayowa no omo etimi aboa ama Ghana edu the semi-final the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup ebekoso ewo Brazil, South America for the first time yewagobo FIFA Women's World Cup ewo South America no yebitimi represent the continent Africa na say ena esitie the final four of the WAFCON or more secure qualification for the next FIFA Women's World Cup. Into Ubenya, the Super Falcons of Nigeria say we qualify. Ubenya, the Atlas Lioness of Morocco or also qualify. And Ubenya, the Bayana of South Africa and the Black Queens of Ghana. Eugene, we need teams and I say on mine and 9 next FIFA Women's World Cup because of Brazil omugwagu jina continent anim say omugwagu defend the continent ama we are seeing hunu into the Black Queens of Ghana Kimlas omutimi share the Phoenix Fox of Algeria on penalties kind courtesy the brilliance of goalkeeper Cynthia Kulan say what she say and I say uhibia oze she say no na oye goalkeeper ye boni dipa because with me is save 2 penalties waboa ama the Black Queens of Ghana omo etimi joining other 3 countries omo represent CAF the next FIFA World Cup referees no omo channel omo sunu to the right place na asudi da John Mahama so no enye bini referee
Attakorah
Eugene
what's it say
asudi da John Mahama so say obe reset Ghana
President
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asudi dane so ene ne ambition say obeso reset Ghana no eje bi ni referee
ni Ghana for
no your channel
that's no Ghana for
at least the right place the Minister of Youth and Sports answer na bia wababo president di but all of a sudden obo president di there Eugene wa unim say in fact
minimum na woka
na president adwuma da be so yi
na bia adwuma ni ese na Attakorah
person wie keje tiama ya mo refifo mo ne efe mo di agora be si samre ono na mo betwe na bam since when ena referees ene efe esi edi agoro for all this while refereeing welfare in Ghana enkoyie the president of Ghana football astute person we do football achiache wonim say sport no ebe gina say sport no ebe ya nika referees play 80% on match day it say the
referees no munya Ghana for
Ghana for
what is wrong with say omo asema to omo for the past even say 5-4 years ni na omo de omo asema ko down mampanyin ka bi mom what is wrong with that
Central Market for man so president we enti no ba ho no Eugene na last week wa ba ho about inspect Central Market he say o pe kwan a o be wie Central Market no di kro
omo Central Market no omo ya Ghana for referees no omo ya Ghana for
referees for no omo line of procedure omo betimi a channel omo grievances president nyam ba mu kra no omo ni association omo ni welfare body only a stake agency our FAO. Ya Congress referee our representative our Congress. Meboa. Referees or more personality our representative referees our Congress. At the end only a corner or good general referees and name our Congress as no. Sa grievances we one channel mano na do Congress are all raising our Congress. Now president di.
Na more president.
How ground are you
na Paralympic for de omasem you see the co-president wo e ho na ebenya moa we sorry na asem a presidency woni be
Even after they've exhausted other channels omo enya nsusuanso bia no e na omo ba president ho last season Eugene ye wo hanom e na obeka say league matches week bi ho referees ayo madrid so be boycott within the refereeing body ebe omo for beka say yan trash statement no na say among mokra no you are not united for a cause na president emere me was central market go
some market asem na wo kana me pese me no be ya adwene. The
man is resetting Ghana the ambition is
so football is part of the resetting agenda and football count what's your problem
say the referees should have a channel. President Bema, I'm not saying that is not right, but say CA
how you know say if you am do masema ko to ministry or the sports ministry they are not getting results. What's it say?
Come Ghana football need the crowd.
The open interview
say you just to process we and am fee. So you the American say refereeing association omunye united so omunyina call for one cause omunyina and fight for that cause we are pani aye interview ye mom pay say edachina yenya another referee from another department and also ever trash out the way cano it's the person can say the association omunim say was set referee well financed say the beya yebenya the true beauty of the game now so Eugene say referee ebe pre financing ho na obema the promise say after wedding game na wie no this date maybe man is car never drew or na Eugene say the nikodi ska say me now so on from me no eba say the FA and the referee will never be in good terms enti FA no onim say e was say referees well financed said the true beauty of the game. Now the women say Eugene the referees should have their right means of channel and yes sir yeah the beauty of the game but president says they should pass through the channels department. I'm always said the FA has a refereeing department which is the referees manager. FA Sasem no fako kachira no when fewer then you move on to the Ministry of Youth and Sports. On one fewer now you go to the president and of course you be in writing not your interview now worker.
Mate,
so the baby say you are serious, you want the well-being of the game. And Mamenda Nicholas and so I say